Hello Dog. I'm Akansha.
And I'm Sanskriti. So we have officially started our channel today, which was our dream.
And we were planning this for a long time.
So as you can understand by our channel's name that it is purely devoted to Korean wave of drama and music.
So we have started this purely out of our love for Korean drama and music, and we'll be reviewing and reacting to the videos of K-dramas. So without any further ado, let's get started!
So for today we are reviewing one of the classic dramas and due to which we have entered in this world, and also this was our first drama, so that is Descendants of the Sun.
So guys, first time we watched this drama on Zindagi channel, and I know some of you may have seen it too. You know how there are those dramas which give you every single thing, like comedy, emotions, drama, fighting also,
Yeah.
everything. So this is one of them.
So let's start the review, guys.
Let me explain the title, guys. It's called Descendants of the Sun. Descendants of the Sun means a person who is related to the sun or who moves like it. The drama shows the people of military and hospital who work according to the needs of others. No matter what goes on in their life, they have to work according to others.
Like such a deep and meaningful title, right?
Right.
So now moving on to the characters and story. The story is set in Seoul where actor Song Joong-ki plays the role of Yoshijin, who was looking very handsome, guys, who falls in love with Dr. Kang Mo-yeon played by Song Hye-kyo, the timeless beauty of Korean film industry.
Never ages, bro.
Sahi mein. And who works at Haesung Hospital. So they start dating after a few meetings, but it doesn't work between them, because of his busy work schedule.
Like there was not even a single date where they could have their moment. Every time they're on a date, he gets a call from his seniors. Like, kabhi to अकेला छोड़ो यार.
Sahi mein.
So Moyeon decides to break up. Also, there was a difference of opinion. Like she says she is a doctor and Shijin is a soldier. So she says that she saves people while Shijin kills people to save his motherland. So it will never work out between them, according to her. Time flies and after 8 months, Yoo Shijin is posted in a fictional European country called Uruk with his unit. Destiny plays its role and Moyeon comes there with a group of doctors as a punishment for beating up her boss. Yoo Shijin and Kang Moyeon meet again and love sparks.
It was such a meet cute moment.
Right. They have their ups and downs and difficulties also because of an old acquaintance of Shijin. This again leads to their separation because Moyeon was quite skeptical about their relationship and also she was very much scared of his difficult life. But just when she was going back with the team, they witnessed a devastating earthquake.
I have been granted the permission to become a doctor. I solemnly swear.
So the doctors decide to stay there to help the people there, and meanwhile Shijin also joins there with his team, and they together help a lot to save the people and normalize the situation. And during this time Moyeon realizes her and Shijin's love and they finally starts dating.
별처럼 쏟아지는 운명에
So like in the whole series you will get wonderful and sweet moments and fun moments of them and you will feel really delighted.
So we have a second couple which is So Dae-young and Yoon Myung-ju. Dae-young is a member of Shijin's unit and one of his closest friend, while Myung-ju is an army doctor and Dae-young's senior. They have their own set of obstacles.
The problem is Myung-ju's father, as he was against this relationship. According to him, that kind of relationship cannot be in the same unit. So he asked Dae-young to either leave the army or her.
Like, who does that in this century?
Seriously. He asked him to stay away from her, to which he agrees. But Myungju was quite strong-headed girl who was ready to fight for her love. So during the disaster time, they worked together and comes close and ended up together. So it was really a good ending for the couple. Yeah. All the supporting actors, the cast is really good with their own set of story and also ended up in a good place. So we'll not reveal more details.
Just go and watch it, guys! Descendants of the Sun is a very nice drama due to its plot of doctors and soldiers. Every character faced a wide range of difficulties and they came out of it. It had plenty of drama, action, emotions, comedy, romance, and a nice dose of humor. My most favorite relationship of the drama is of Daeyoung's and Shijin's. They had their own moments of comedy, romance, and companionship.
It was really fun. So both the female leads had quite a difference between them, but they progressed their relationship too. Now talking about a very special scene, there is a cameo of this very famous K-pop girl band Red Velvet, as the boys were huge fan of them. Also, the shooting locations are really amazing. You will really enjoy each of the scenes. And now we'll give you one more reason to watch this drama.
And that is Cho Tae-gwan, who plays the role of handsome Daniel, which you will totally enjoy and is an eye candy.
고장 났습니까?
네. 네. 전원이 안 들어와요. 듣기론 뭘 잘 고치신다고.
잘 오셨네요. 사람도 잘 고치고 기계도 잘 고치고 대충 다 잘 고쳐요. 잘 못 고치는 건 여신뿐이랄까?
Talking about the OSTs, our favorite is Every Time by Chen and Punch because Chen, you are my love.
This OST is like really beautiful. You will really feel the emotion without really getting the lyrics. And this OST is also one of the most viewed OSTs of the K-dramas.
Descendants of the Sun has recently completed 5 years and we'll definitely remember it as one of the ageless and excellent drama.
So with this we have finally completed our review. Comment down below about your experience of the drama and are you planning to watch this or not. So guys, if you like our review, do like our video and subscribe to the channel.
Thank you so much for watching our video. We'll meet you in the next one. Bye
Bye everyone!